Hello students, good morning. I am Dhirendra Kumar, Modern English School, New Area, Senior B. This is second part of video lecture for class 8, Geography. Chapter's name is Minerals and Power Resources. Today we will study about extraction of minerals and distribution of minerals continent wise. Today we will study two topics. First is extraction of minerals and second is continent wise mineral distribution. So let us start. Extraction of minerals. Extraction of minerals can be categorized as mining, drilling, quarrying. Mining is further divided into open cast mining and shaft mining. One by one we will clear all the topics. Student, taking out of minerals buried under the earth is called extraction. Open cast mining. Minerals found near the surface of the earth. This can be extracted only removing the surface. Is called open cast mining. Shaft mining. Minerals extracted from deep into the earth. This is called shaft mining. Drilling. This is used to extract petroleum and natural gases from deep into the earth. This is called drilling. And what is quarrying? Minerals found on the surface or very near to the surface. One can extract these minerals on the surface, or very good example of quarrying is mountain. Crusher machines, you know very well that crusher machine brings rocks from mountains. This is very good example of quarrying. Now, distribution of minerals. From where do we get minerals? Students, minerals, I told you that are divided into two parts. Metallic mineral, non-metallic mineral. Metallic mineral generally found in igneous and metamorphic rock, while non-metallic minerals are found in sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rock contain limestone, petroleum, natural gases, etc. And igneous rock and metamorphic rocks contain nickel, chromium, iron, gold, silver, etc. Iron ore in North Sweden. Nickel in Ontario, Canada. Iron, nickel, platinum, chromite in South Africa are very good example of metallic mineral. And Caucasus in France is very good example of non-metallic mineral, that is limestone. Student, now we will study this continent-wise distribution of minerals. First is Asia. India and China have very large deposit of iron ore. Asia is the largest producer. It produces half of the world. It produces half of the world's tin. Means India is the very large producer of tin. It produces half tin produced in the world. Indonesia, Malaysia, these are very large producer of tin. China produces lead, tungsten, etc. Asia contains minerals of bauxite, zinc, iron, etc. Next is Europe. Students, Europe is very large producer of iron ore. Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, France has very large deposit of iron ore. While copper, lead, zinc, manganese, nickel are produced by Eastern Europe. Next is North America. Mineral deposit found in North America in 3 regions. The Canadian region, the Appalachian region, and mountain range of the West. Canadian region produces gold, silver, uranium, platinum, while Appalachian region produces coal. And mountain region produces zinc, silver, gold, copper, etc. Next is South America. Brazil is the largest producer of high-grade iron ore, while Chile and Peru is largest producer of copper. Dear students, Brazil is also larger producer of tin, and some countries like Peru, Chile, Colombia, etc. are very good producer of mineral oil. Next is Africa. Dear students, all of you know that Africa is very rich in gold, diamond, and platinum. Zimbabwe, Zambia are the country which produces diamond and gold. Some countries like Libya, Angola produces mineral oil. Next is Australia. Australia is largest producer of bauxite in the world. Copper, gold, diamond, these are the other minerals found in Australia. Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie of Western Australia is very famous for its gold. Next is Antarctica. Antarctica is not accessible, but very large deposit of coal, iron, gold, etc. are found here. This can be used for commercial purpose. Means Antarctica has very large deposit of minerals. That's all. Have a nice day. Stay at home to fight with Corona.